Cajon drummers, and welcome back to another video. If I can edit this just in time, then we will be right on for Tutorial Tuesday. So what's the groove? Well, this is a groove that I've really enjoyed playing, and you can hear it in my most recent video where I play the cajon along with some beats and some music that I created on a sampler. And I think this groove could be really good in some other situations as well. So if you want to learn it and then kind of attach it to your own style, that would be awesome too. Okay, so how are we going to learn it? We're going to take this really slow and step by step, breaking it down just 2 beats at a time. So pause the video if you need to, go and get ready, and then let's play it together. One, two, three, four. So I want to talk about what I like about this groove. One thing for sure is the mix of different sounds that come together to create some pretty exciting dynamics. So we've got a range of ghost notes, medium hits, snare accents, and a flourish of that knuckle knock technique, which comes together to create kind of a beautiful rhythmic landscape, in my opinion. And we are halfway there now, so we've actually got another bar of this groove to learn. If you're ready, let's get on to the second half now. So, with those 2 parts, we have the whole groove, but now we've got to put it all together to complete the picture. I think we could play it all at about 60 beats per minute, so if you're ready, let's play it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's next? As I said before, I think this groove has a lot of potential to be interesting in quite a range of different situations. So with that in mind, it would be really awesome to hear you bring it to life with a little bit of your own flavor added, of course. But if you do post it somewhere online, just tag me. I'd love to see and hear you play. So for the outro of this video, I'm going to play through the groove again, this time at a higher tempo, and I'll match it with some music just to see how it sounds. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see these videos popping up on your subscription feed here on YouTube, you want to be the first to know about them, please hit that subscribe button, and there's a bell if you want those notifications. That's it, time to play some music. Here we go! 4. so before I go, if you want to go a little bit deeper into this world of Cajon, then consider becoming a member of my channel. And that would give you access to all of my courses, which come in at least 4 parts, so that I can cover each topic as extensively as possible. To see all of the courses that are available right now, you could take a look at my channel page and see them all lined up from beginner, intermediate, into advanced. And this is actually improving month by month. I'm either polishing up an old course or adding some new content, so keep checking back if there's something that you want to definitely learn. So that's it. I will see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.